another video for you guys showing you these custom logo projectors that I picked up. These are custom. I can't wait for you guys to see the logo. It looks awesome. It tells you which side each one goes, says left and right side. It comes with the whole module, or the whole piece. All you have to do is disconnect the connector. Comes with also one of these to pop out the tool to pop out the light. So what this does is that it sits under the door, on the door here on your car, and what it does is that it shines down a logo onto the ground, so you can see the logo onto the ground. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to install. It comes fully complete already, so all I have to do is just pop out the old one and then just pop in the new one, and that's it. 1, 2, 3. So it'll come with this, where you can pop it out. Okay, then it'll have this tab here. You just press on the tab and lift it out. It's a little windy out here. Alright, so I'm gonna pop out the tab, push the tab down and pull it out, and catch back the video for you guys. Okay, so I pressed on the tab, just slide it out. This is the old logo projectors that I had in it before. Alright, so excuse me, just call back the video. So I'll just push the pins up a little so it'll line up. The logo's on. Then you just slide this end in, push it up, and boom, it locks in place. You can't see the logo now, but you'll be able to see it later. I'm gonna make another video at night showing it, but for now I'm just gonna do the other side. That's how easy it is. It takes like 2 minutes to do it. 1, 2, 3. If you guys are interested, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like first before I end the video, and that's it. So the same thing you did on this side, you do on the passenger side. On that other side, I'm gonna do the passenger side right now, and that's it. Alright, told you guys I was gonna get a video, you guys, for the Ford Gen with the new door lights. This is not the door lights, those are my headlights on my TL 3rd Gen. So now I wanted to show you guys, because this is something custom from manufacturer, Chinese manufacturer. Check this shit out. This shit is fire. And I have it on both doors, not just the driver's side. So it's an actual cutout of the actual TL all the way around. Let me show you guys the other side. Check this out. This is beautiful. Awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Alright? Thought it was something new. I thought you guys would like it, so hit me up. Let me know what you guys think.